going? So today I wanted to share with you just a quick link that I created for everybody here on my website. It's martinezrghomes.com backslash all dash open dash houses. And it's just a list of all the open houses in, I guess, in our MLS coming up here soon. So just I wanted to check it out, and some of the things that I immediately see is affordability in some of these houses. In some of these areas you're talking about really expensive homes, and so like if you look at this first one right here, 4005 Alexia Lane, who's probably excuse me, there it is. I was waiting for the bubble to come out. This was listed by D1 Texas Realty. Check this house out. Nice house, double car garage, lot, nice chimney area right here, or heating area right here, TV spot area, cool there. Um, what's called a large counter there. Check that house out. If you have any questions about that, schedule a private tour or contact me 956-476-2925. There's this one in Westico, so I don't know if you know very much about the Westico area, but the Westico area is up and booming. It's booming. Now, this is not an enormous house. It's this house right here is 1,446 square feet, but overall, it's got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's been in the market for about 13 days. Again, double car garage. I love this front feature right here. Yes, it's got the 3 windows. It's a very simple home, in my opinion, but it does the job. Nice open concept right here, kitchen back here. Definitely like this layout right here. Uh, Not a huge kitchen, but it works. And this one's obviously listed with Keller Williams. But if you have any questions, you can always schedule a tour here. You can see the next open house. The next open house is November 22nd from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. At least that's what it's currently scheduled at, right? You never know when things change. So again, like I said, check out this website right here. This one right here is at 315, 365. This was a 600. Let's do this $600,000 one. See what this one has to offer. This is in Hidalgo, Texas. Okay. I kind of like these windows right here. I like the backyard patio. Smaller yard right here. I like this. This must be on the second floor. Could be wrong. Gotta go check it out. Kitchen, open space, living room area. I like that. Neat. Very modern. I like this waterfall counter. It's cool. All right, let's see what we got. Let's move back over here. But yeah, check this out. Look, this one here in Donna. This is in Donna's. Affordability is gonna be a little bit better, or towards the Westico, Donna, Mercedes area. As far as affordability, you come into McAllen Mission, affordability gets a little bit more expensive, more demand in this area, right? This one's open house December 6th. This one is scheduled. 709 Santa Cecilia Street. This is listed by Tierra Frontera. All right, cool. Check that out. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to check more of these homes out. I got a bunch of homes out right here. If you are looking with a certain price range, check this out. 200, 300, 300, 400. You click here, 200 and 300. So we got. Obviously, we have less than the overall amount, and maybe there's more on the MLS. If you have any questions about that, just let me know. But these are more homes that are listed between the 200 and $300,000 mark. You can click on all these and check them out. Let me know if you have any questions. At any given time, if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out. My number is 956-476-2925, or click on the link above or below, which is Martinez, RGVhomes.com / all dash open dash houses. It'll take you to this website right here. I will go ahead and link the link below and check it out. Let me know if you have any questions.